All right, 4 days before we strike out in this old gal, headed down to cruising the coast. Can't wait. No windows is the cool part. The only bad part is you can't see out of it. So let's install a backup camera. So that's more vision. It wasn't very expensive. I think it's 60, 70 bucks. We had it shipped from Amazon or somewhere, Walmart online. We're gonna get her put in. I think we actually put one of these in Daddy's motorhome years ago. It's a good picture. You can see good back behind you. Just gotta figure out where we want to mount her. Yeah, it's just like he is. We mount that. We mount the camera on the back. And we'll leave it on all the time. And we'll actually be able to see behind us pretty well. All right, we're trying to figure out where we're gonna put it. We thought about putting it up there. It might get a better view than down there on the tag.
Stick on both sides.
I'm scared it sticks on with. It might.
Down in the hole.
Yeah, that would probably work. Well, that's going like a headache.
Yeah.
And then over here, we got Daddy. Just cheesing. Yeah, we can put 3Ms, leave it there if you want to. We up in the trees right there at the angle it down some. Oh yeah, you can definitely see behind you. Yeah. That'll be a good backup system. What's that look like, Tyler? Hang on. You go look. I'm scared if we put it down there, it's going to block our view. Yeah. I can put it down there and look.
That's a good place. You got some.
We'll have to find some. I'm going to put it up here, though.
I'd put it down there.
Go. Yeah. Like that. Man, they're about to stay there anyway. Yeah, and this here just to keep us from not having to drill any holes in anything. And I think you'll see better than you would way down there. Let's see what we got up here. Up here we got, if I can get my big butt in, we'll mount this guy. Yeah, I can see the 55. It's right there. Yeah, you can see everything. Man, that's better than the rear view mirror is. You got that versus that. Oh yeah. No, I just see you from the waist down. What do these do? Huh. It's got the backup lines. Yeah. All right, we'll just get her mounted up here somewhere. Try and see if there's a little kid back there. Oh yeah, you're right in the middle of it. Hang on, let Taylor, pretend like you're a little kid, Taylor. You're a little fella, so we don't want to back over you.
Can you see this whole chair?
Oh yeah.
Well, that's about the size of a little kid.
How close are you to the van, Tyler? You're a foot away? Yeah, I can see the top of your head. Make a face. Come up a little bit. Yeah, it's got backup lines in it. That's good. That's neat. We'll just do it with our mouths. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah, this thing was really, I don't know if she's going or not yet. This thing is easy to hook up. Yeah, it's got a wire that goes from, feeds the back of the camera back there. We got it tucked under the carpet and coming down the passenger wheel well. And one side of it plugs to the monitor, and the other side just plugs up to your cigarette lighter that we just put in. I think this thing's even got a, yep, it's got a power button. And I expect we'll just leave it on. Well, I must have messed something up. Well, I turned the power off and it won't come back on now. There we go. Yeah, we'll leave that on the whole time we're going. Okay, let's get her mounted. All right, we're giving a test drive after we've got the camera hooked up. For some reason, it's got a remote control. I'm not sure what the remote control's for. I didn't even pull the tape off of it for the battery thing yet. We got our air conditioner blowing. Put 1973 on the door. We got a nice sticker collection going. Whew, we are ready to go. I don't know what else we need to do before we leave. We check fluids good. And then get this, we got our camera hooked up and we shut the door and severed the wire. So we had to fix that. Everything good? What's that smell? Let's see what our volts are saying. $14 volts, we're charging. And we got our GoPro set up. We got one mounted there. We're gonna put another one in the back. Well, maybe we can get everything filmed. And we left the compass. I dig the compass. We've got our little mood lights up in the roof. Let's see if we can see them. Hard to see them in daytime. They're not terribly bright today, but boy, they light up at night though. We've got a boom box back here. That I don't know how to turn on. I don't know. We can't play it anyway, they'll demonetize the video. Hey, hold down the power button. How you turn this thing on? Just hold, wait. Never mind, I got it. I don't know. But it plays. We played it once or twice already. Alright. We will have to fill it, and we did. We went ahead and took all the cluster out. We put LED bulbs behind all that so we could see good. We made sure all the gauges were working. It ought to be a fun trip. Still got a mess we got to pick up. We got to put that piece of trim on over the carpet. But boy, she's got the room. I can see behind us now with that camera. Alright, stop right here. Let's show the people how to drive a 3-speed on the column. For those who don't know. For those who do know, you already know, so you can skip this part. Alright, it's an H pattern. To you and up in reverse that Taylor's grinding. That's reverse. That's first. Alright, take off in first. Second. And third. Just a 3-speed on the column. If you haven't seen one in a while, if you've never seen one, it seems crazy. But if you haven't seen one in a while, it's a breath of fresh air. This is going to be a very nice ride. This van's came a long way in a short amount of time. We did this same thing last year with a 1972 C10, the Highlander edition. It had been sitting since 1981, and we gave ourselves 4 weeks to find it, fix it, and drive it down there, and it did remarkably well. And I wanted to do a van this year. We've always wanted to build a Scooby-Doo van. just a full-on resto, and we've never done one. And I thought this would be a good one to kind of get our feet wet into the van world. So this was the plan that we hatched. Let's get a van. Let's see what it is to it and how to get it back going. Mechanically, it's no different than a car or a truck or anything else. But the body is it's a little different. It's so much space. Like, you've got all this, and what do you do with it? You don't know, like. So we just did 4 captain's chairs and a bed back there that a mattress can go on top of. It takes a twin mattress. If we do a Scooby-Doo, I thought maybe we do like a sectional sofa that goes all the way around. Maybe a table in the middle. I would rather do like a 66, 67 Ford van or Chevy van as opposed to 73. It's a little bit different look. The nose is flatter on the 60s vans than the 70s. But this van's remarkable. I love it. Very comfortable ride. Plenty of places to hang GoPros and shoot footage. Hit the horn. Everything works. Turn signals, horn. The AM radio still works. There's just no channels to pick up. But this thing here, I said if it's on yet, this thing plays MP3 or Bluetooth. And I have no clue how to turn this on. Oh, we'll figure it out later.